Hello and welcome back to today's lesson. Today you're going to learn about the most common machine learning problems and the ways to overcome those problems. The first one is overfitting. Overfitting is one of the most common machine learning problems, and we can use regularization such as L1 and L2 regularization to overcome this problem. And we also use cross-validation technique, and early stopping can help prevent overfitting. We use more data. So if our data set is small, so it has a challenge to overfitting. So we use more data and reducing model complexity. These are the solutions to overcome overfitting. And the other common problem is underfitting, which is the opposite of overfitting. So in overfitting, we have to use L1 and L2 regularization, cross-validation, and we add more data and reducing model complexity. But here we use more complex models. We use more complex models to overcome underfitting. We also adding more future variables. We also reducing regularization. But in overfitting, we use regularization to overcome overfitting because our data set is small that occurs overfitting. And the other techniques are using more, increasing the model's capacity or using more sophisticated algorithms that may be necessary to overcome underfitting. And the other most common problem in machine learning is data preprocessing. Preprocessing challenge. This challenge is the other common challenges in machine learning, because before we train our model, we have to pre-process our data and make it ready for machine learning algorithms. During that, we may face different challenges such as missing values, outliers, and noisy data. So we have to mitigate or overcome these challenges. For example, if we have missing values, we have to impute the missing values using different methods. And we also detect outliers. If our data has outliers, we have to detect and impute or remove outliers based on some criteria. Additionally, we have to use future scaling or data normalization. Data normalization is the other techniques. So we have to standardize or normalize our future values using future scaling, such as min-max scalar or standard scalar. We also use one-hot encoding and handling categorical variables. Because if we could have categorical variables, we have to transform into numerical values, because some machine learning algorithms couldn't accept categorical variables. So we have to transform and encode into numerical values, and we have to standardize or normalize this numerical values as well to improve the quality of the data. And the fourth one is imbalanced datasets. This is another challenges in machine learning. So we have to employ techniques like oversampling and undersampling to overcome imbalanced dataset, to balance the dataset. And we also use algorithms specifically designed for imbalanced datasets, such as a SMOT. A SMOT is one of the algorithm, which is called synthetic minority oversampling technique, which is designed for imbalanced datasets. And we also use ensamples methods. Thus methods can also be effective to overcome imbalanced datasets. The last common machine learning machine learning problems is also dimensionality. This is also the problems in machine learning. So if we face this problem in our machine learning model development, we have to mitigate or overcome this problem using feature selection techniques like lasso regularization or lasso regression algorithm, principal components analysis. This is one of the solutions to mitigate curse of dimensionality. And future importance is very important to mitigate curse of dimensionality, because we have to select the most or the top ranking features to help reduce the dimensionality of the data. So if by visualizing, especially future importance, ranking is very important while developing your machine learning model, because we have to select the most ranked features. The lowest ranked features has the probability to curse of dimensionality. So we have to avoid low ranking features by visualizing such as bar plots. So we can select high ranking features from our data set. And dimensionality reduction methods like distributed stochastic, never embedding, and uniform manifold approximation and projection can also be useful to mitigate curse of dimensionality. So by addressing these common machine learning problems with the appropriate solutions, you can enhance the performance and reliability of your machine learning models. Thanks for watching.